I'm Fraser Neiman, Director of Archaeology at Monticello.
I'm Gardiner Hallock, Robert H. Smith, Director of Restoration at Monticello.
Jefferson built this building as housing for hired free white workmen who were brought here to help build Monticello I, the first house. It then became a slave quarter and then once again reverted back to housing for workmen, and then finally may have ended its life as a textile workshop. Jefferson left us two possible designs for this structure, so now we finally know which one was actually built. Beginning with archaeology, we ripped up the floors and were able to find just a few bricks that all that remained of the original brick floor, which we've now restored. We also found the remains of this massive masonry partition, which divided the rooms in two. We were able to determine that it had this triangular fireplace with these sort of two fireplaces heating each room, and the architectural historians actually found remains of this really funky kind of triangular vestibule as well.
As Fraser said, we were able to look at the structure itself and compare it to the Jefferson documentation, and to show that much of what he draws was correct. This great 1775 drawing that showed the Textile Workshop. And by that, it's not only the fireplace, but also this triangular lobby. When you walk into the space, it's this open triangular lobby, which is honestly very strange, and you don't see it elsewhere, really anywhere. This is a particularity to Jefferson design that's fairly unique. The joists survived up above us. The original joists are actually still there, and the ends of these joists were cut in a special way that showed us the angle of the roof, this plating pitch roof that Jefferson used for other outbuildings around Monticello, as well as the main house and inside the main house. We were also able to find original plaster, and so there's actually underneath the whitewash remains of Jefferson's original 1778 plaster, and that gave us information not only what the walls looked like, but how they were coated. We also found elements like an original window frame that survived and a window stool, and this gave us very, very detailed evidence for the size of the windows, what they would have looked like, how they were trimmed. It's an original element that people can look at and have that physical connection to Jefferson and his time.